Outside of the lives and the property affected by these wildfires, the wildlife also sees long-lasting impacts following the flames.
Meteorologist Lana Brophy takes a look at how.
Wildfires along the Wasatch Front benches can devour vegetation. At times, they can displace wildlife, and fires make it pretty tough for several species in the coming months. Flames destroying homes and devastating property along the benches in northern Utah.
I thought it was crazy. I mean, we've never had anything like that since I've been here.
With the ripple effect oftentimes reaching animals. Bountiful resident Kristen Peden saying the loss of wildlife habitat is just another negative consequence of fire.
It makes me sad, because, I mean, there's only so many places they can go, but, I mean, what can you do?
And the fire season this year has been different than years past. It's a grass fire season where we're seeing burning occurring more so in the lower elevations. Larger fires can often displace big game like deer, but it's impacts down the line that can be more worrisome.
They were a little lower elevation, that has a little bit more of a negative impact on our wildlife species because they are coming into some of these lower areas to feed during the winter. And if it kills off a lot of that, sagebrush and that type of food that they're taking during the winter, sometimes it can be a little bit harder for them to find food.
Altering an ecosystem for years to come, and it's not just large animals. Wildfires can lure in trouble for local fish.
They can often be a lot more impacted, from some of the stream runoff with ash coming into the waterways, that can kill off a lot of our fish populations.
The size of the fire also dictates the impact on an ecosystem, and fire season could linger for the next several weeks. Reporting in Bountiful, I'm Lana Brophy, ABC4 News.